Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preheating to 350 degrees and preparing a 9x5 loaf pan. This ensures consistent baking. Once the oven's set, grate about 2 cups of zucchini and press out excess moisture so the batter stays balanced. Next, whisk 1/2 cup neutral oil with 3/4 cup sugar, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla until glossy. You're creating the fat sugar matrix that keeps the loaf tender. Mixing now saves time. Now whisk 3/4 cups flour with 1/3 cup cocoa, a teaspoon baking soda, and a half teaspoon salt to distribute leaveners. Once done, make a well and fold the wet mixture into the dry. Add the grated zucchini and 1/2 cup chocolate chips gently. Make sure to stop folding when just combined. Overmixing develops gluten and toughens the bread. The batter should be thick with occasional streaks of flour. That's fine and helps produce an even crumb and moist interior. Pour batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes and test with a skewer. Moist crumbs mean perfectly moist bread, but raw batter on the skewer means more time. Once done, cool in the pan for about 15 minutes, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling before slicing so it sets. If your loaf turns out dense, make sure to squeeze zucchini drier next time and avoid overmixing. Those 2 fixes solve most texture issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.